Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about creating a peaceful, stress-free vibe at home, you're going to love today's review. I've been testing out the Serenity Cloud Aroma Diffuser, and trust me, this little device is a total game changer. The Serenity Cloud is not your average diffuser. It features customizable misting modes, whisper quiet operation, and a sleek, compact design that fits perfectly in any space. Plus, it's USB chargeable, no batteries needed. How cool is that? What I love most is how it instantly transforms my living room into a spa-like sanctuary. I've tried a few of their essential oil capsules like lavender for sleep and peppermint for energy. The scents are 100% natural and fill up to 700 square feet of space, perfect for any room. It's also safe for kids, pets, and anyone sensitive to synthetic fragrances. No toxins, no worries, just pure plant-based bliss. If you're on the fence, here's the kicker. Serenity Cloud comes with a 50% discount right now, plus a free Lavender Zen Heal capsule. I started with one and loved it so much I got their bundle deal for my entire home. So if you want to turn your home into a peaceful oasis, check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. And hey, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.